Hey everybody, where to begin here? We've gone over already on this channel how farmers are getting absolutely screwed right now by these executive orders and directives from the hostile regime taking over the government right now. And damn, this was written in 1988, and it's just so fucking relevant right now. It's silly. So I used to write the lyrics to this on my desk in English class, and another kid who was in another period was finishing them off, and vice versa. Still know them by heart. And justice for all, indeed. Yeah. Sarcasm. So, I was going through YouTube, and my thumbnails had a channel called, well, let's just say the channel is a homesteading channel in Appalachia. And if you're not aware, Appalachia is one of the poorest, most screwed over parts of this country. The poverty level there is like third world country level. And it's just, those people just get dumped on over and over and over again. And unfortunately, they're in a red state, and I kinda can't grasp why these people keep voting against their own self-interest. This Homesteader channel, their video was about how they want this new, completely fake, unauthorized government agency that isn't an official government agency. It wasn't created by Congress or the Senate or anybody who's actually, you know, a government official, and it was just, I don't even know how there's any legitimacy to it, but, this, I'm not gonna say the name of it because it's fucking stupid. Let's just call it Doggy. The people running Doggy aren't elected officials. It's a illegal migrant and a bunch of kids with really questionable employment histories and a lot of scary security breach stuff in their history, and basically just it's a joke. This alleged agency is being run by children. It's being run by a Gen X child and some kids who are barely out of high school. And they're all white boys, and you can see where this disaster is heading. It's just like picture a dumpster on fire right now with rats climbing out of it. So this channel, this homestead channel in Appalachia, she must be really, really well off. Like, she must be rolling in piles of cash because she's cheerleading the raiding of the Treasury and the looting of our Social Security and our health care and all of the horrible, horrible, illegal, unconstitutional shit that they're doing right now to us. Getting enough views because this stuff is happening, and for some reason people who live in areas that are already fucked over and poverty stricken are cheerleading being more fucked over and poverty stricken, and I can't quite grasp this phenomenon. It's really confusing to me. Maybe it's really confusing, maybe it's really confusing because I am a educated East Coast individual, but I can't understand the cheerleading of their own self-destruction. This woman is gung-ho for this unelected illegal migrant from South Africa to go through all of her personal information and cut off her retirement and her Social Security and her health care. And I don't know if this woman has children, but her children are going to be affected by this and hurt by this, I'm assuming, unless she's rolling in piles of cash. And I can't understand why you would want someone with 37 felonies and a rape charge and another guy who has open investigations against almost every one of his businesses, or all of his companies are being investigated for screwing people over. I don't know why you would want two criminals going through your personal information and through your social entitlements, the money that you paid into the government for your retirement, for your Social Security, and for your health care. I don't know why you'd want that. It's like opening your door for the biggest robber barons to come in and loot your house and steal everything from you. And she's cheerleading it. She's like, I want Doggy to go through everything and gut all of the things that I depend on for my survival. I want higher food prices. I want higher gas prices. I want to suffer so that these guys can give themselves bigger tax breaks. I don't get it. Yeah, maybe somebody can help me out in the comments section. Because I don't understand cheering the obliteration of your own best interest. I just don't.